Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write your bio on the twitch.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on channel. Then you should scroll down and tap on this customize channel button on the right side. After that, click on about at the top of the screen, then scroll down to the profile settings section and tap on bio. So you should write an introduction in or under 300 characters, as you can see. So type it in, and when you are done, click on the save changes button on this right side corner of the screen. As you can see, it has been set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.